Hi guys, did you know what is the difference between who versus whom? Well, who replaces he or she, and whom replaces him or her. So, if you would answer this question, would you say he or him? What would you say? Blank did this. He or him? Well, he is right answer. So he replaces who. So here we use who did this. Next, did you meet today? How do you answer this question? I met him or I met he. What do you think? Well, him is the right answer. So here him replaces with whom. Whom did you meet today? In blank fix my car. He or him? Well, he. And he replaces with who. Next, did you invite to the party? I invite. Invited. I invited. She or I invited her. So here we use her. And her is replaced by whom. Whom did you invite to the party? Blank do you love? I love he or I love him. Of course, him. So we replace it with whom. Blank should I talk to? I talk to him or I talk to he. So you do this one and let me know in the comments. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.